Property manager Kevin is a busy man. He does his best to balance work and home life, but lately he feels like he's been spending more time worrying about his business and less time enjoying his family. He'd really like to make sure he has the insurance he needs and to find someone he can trust to make sure his business is covered. A friend tells Kevin, you should speak with Rick Callaway. He can help you keep your business thriving and free up some of your time. You can trust him to go the extra mile for you. Rick Callaway is passionate about building relationships that benefit both parties by creating business growth. He has the professional experience needed to take the burden off of you by keeping your business safe without unnecessary costs. Rick Callaway and his team at Pacific Diversified Insurance Services know that you lead a busy life. They use a unique analysis process to make sure you have the proper coverage for your property at the right price. They analyze risks and make sure you are neither underinsured or overinsured. Your specific needs will be met with a custom plan just for your business needs. Kevin decides to entrust his business insurance needs to the team at Pacific Diversified Insurance Services. Now he feels secure in his coverage and doesn't have to worry about it when he's at home with his family. Kevin has the best of both worlds, coverage for his business and more time at home.